Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD recovery moves I0.7200 ahead of Aussie jobs report. ntvforex.com news ID 08D4501 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. AUD USD keeps pullback from 0.7108, snapped a 3-day losing streak on Wednesday. Market sentiment improved on upbeat US data, no major negatives from US-China. S&amp P500 refreshed record tops. Gold also bounced from $1,860. U.S. senators struggle to renegotiate the stimulus. Australian employment for July will be the key. AUD/USD eases from the previous dayâ top, flashed a few hours back, to 0.7160 at the start of Thursdayâ's Asian session. Even so, the quote remains on the front foot while carrying the U-turn from 21-day EMA. While broad risk-on mood could be cited for the pairâ's earlier upbeat performance, doubts over the US aid package negotiations recently seem to exert the downside pressure. Bulls cheer gains of equities, gold despite downbeat concerns at home. Although Australia's wage price index and Westpac consumer confidence flashed unwelcomed figures the previous day, AUD/USD prices managed to snap the 3-day declines. The reason could be traced from the market's optimism surrounding the recovery in the world's largest economy, as portrayed by the latest inflation data. Following the upbeat performance of the Producers' Price Index (PPI), the U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) also beat expectations while rising double the forecast of 0.3% to 0.6% in July. Other than the upbeat data, an absence of negatives from the Sino-American tussle frontier also helped the trading sentiment to remain positive. Although U.S. President Donald Trump said the Phase 1 deal means a very little to him, Chinese diplomats have of late shown serious concerns to back the negotiations. The same could be witnessed in their agricultural buying from America, as per the White House advisor Larry Kudlow. Elsewhere, the coronavirus COVID-19 statistics in the U.S. have recently been doubted as the fall in the new cases joined a decline in the testing. On the other hand, Victoria's also stepped back but stay above 400. Against this backdrop, Wall Street flashed notable gains wherein the S&amp 500 passed with flying colors by refreshing record high. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yields also gained 1.5 basis points BPS to 0.673% by the end of Wednesday. Moving on, traders will keep eyes on July month's employment data from Australia. Forecasts suggest employment change drop from 210.8k to 40k with a rise in unemployment change to 7.8% against 7.4% prior. It should also be noted that the recently grim words from U.S. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin probes the bulls and makes it important for traders to keep a watch on risk catalysts as well. Technical analysis: the pairâ's bounce off 21-day EMA enables it to attack 0.7200 immediate resistance ahead of the monthly top near 0.7245. On the downside, 0.706560 area comprising July 24th low and June 10th high can offer an extra support past 0.7115 level including the short-term EMA. Additional important levels overview: today last price 0.716, today daily change 17 pips, today daily change percent 0.24%, today daily open 0.7143, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.7123, daily SMA 50 0.7002, daily SMA 100 0.67, daily SMA 200 0.6708, NBSP levels: previous daily high 0.719, previous daily low 0.7134, previous weekly high 0.7244, previous weekly low 0.7076, previous monthly high 0.7228, previous monthly low 0.6876, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 0.7155, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 0.7169, daily pivot point S1 0.7121, daily pivot Point S20.71 daily pivot point S30.7065 daily pivot point R10.7177 daily pivot point R20.7212 daily pivot point R30.7233 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.